Hello, guys. क्या हाल चाल है? I'm back with yet another episode of your favorite series, Love Thy RCs. चलिए, without further ado, let's go over to the passage that I have lined up for today. तो उसके पहले quickly ये जो आपको हर क्लास में जो मैं बताती रहती हूँ, I keep reminding you of these things. I'm going to do that yet again. You all have to handle your RCs very smartly. Pay attention to these points that I have written there. Okay, if you are able to take out the main idea smoothly, if you can map the passage, join the dots, if you can locate the important zones and understand where questions are likely to be set, pin the type of questions. If you can do this, you can see the question and in the blink of an eye you can understand what it is asking and where you're going to go for the answer. And if you can use your elimination techniques like Rajnikant, then definitely you are in the safe zone. Now, all you need to do after this is your time management. ठीक है? Time management, what do I mean by that? Time management is something like, 40 questions, 40 minutes or 24 questions or 24 questions पूरे तो मैं करूंगी नहीं. I need to do at least 16 good questions, 15 to 16. If you are somebody very good at VRC, you can pick about 19 to 20 questions. Go ahead. 3-4 wrong होंगे फिर भी अच्छा score आ जाएगा. I personally would pick 15 to 16 very good questions. And I would try to reach 99 point some accuracy, but उतने ही questions करूँगी. For people who are people who are very bad in VRC and now they don't know what to do, maybe you can target just the cutoff. So 11 to 12 good questions. 24 में से आप क्या 11-12 questions नहीं निकाल सकते हो? तो फिर तो क्यों ही कर रहे हो आप कैट का प्रेप? That is my question here. Point to think about. Okay. So ये मैंने दे दिया आपको. You need to wrap that pretty head of yours around these points. Okay. If you want to do very well in RC. Question selection और time management इसके साथ साथ चलता रहेगा. Okay. चलिए ये आपका आज का passage है. So something about echo chambers ऐसे पहला नजर डाल करके I need to find out what the hero is. क्या है भाई online participants किस चीज के? More polarized echo chambers, okay, social bubbles, okay, something about echo chambers, right? These narrow terms, okay, existing beliefs, so something about people's beliefs and perception and different results, opinions, pointing out biases. Researchers have thought, okay, I'm clear now. The passage is dealing with some kind of perception that people try to build या उनका build हो जाता है. There are these things called echo chambers. अभी चल के देखेंगे. एकदम quickly questions पे चले जाया करो. What is the central idea? I would love to start with this. Main idea is doable, definitely doable. Which of the following, if true, would strengthen the researcher's recommendation to implement broader search results? From here, I instantly get this idea that the passage is talking about some narrow search results, है ना? तो यहाँ पे बोला है कि researchers recommendation कुछ आया है to broaden the search results. तो questions पढ़ते पढ़ते कभी-कभी मुझे idea और clear हो जाता है कि क्या मुद्दा है passage में. Would most seriously weaken the claim that tweaking algo can reduce polarization. कहीं पे बोला है इसने, so I mean I get this idea that the passage talks about polarization and tweaking algo and they are trying to reduce polarization something. So ये जो है आपका, this is specific and the claim is given here, so ज़्यादा problem नहीं होनी चाहिए once we finish our organized reading. Most effective way for a public health agency to reduce misinfo about vaccines. अब ये तो ऐसा application question type लग रहा है मुझे. First, now I need to go back and see what the passage is about. I'm not going to read for sure. पूरा तो नहीं पढ़ती हूँ मैं. ठीक है, आप भी follow करो. If you can learn this technique of mine, it'll be very good for you as it'll save time. If you don't want to follow this, it's your choice. ठीक है? चलो, so I'll take you back to this. People's views are becoming more and more polarized with echo chambers. What are echo chambers? It's given here. Social bubbles that reinforce existing beliefs. मतलब यहाँ पे ना, for your ज्ञान आई एम गिविंग यू दिस, आई हैव डन सो मच रीडिंग ऑन दिस पॉइंट कि ये पढ़ते ही अब मुझे पता है पैसेज किस बारे में. तो what is this reinforcing existing belief? See, if you and I are part of social media structure, and let's say, एक example दे रही हूँ, hypothetical है. I follow BJP, let's say, you follow Congress. So, अब हमारा वो existing belief है. We need to get such a platform on which we will be exposed to the other side also, the other end of the spectrum, so that there is a chance that I may get points from both the ends, from all the ends, and then that may somehow influence me. हो सकता है, ऐसा होना चाहिए, right? But if I go to social media and if social media promotes those sides to me that reinforce my existing belief, तो differences in opinion तो will forever stay. I will never be able to develop the tolerance towards Congress or towards anybody else जो कि BJP के against है. Correct? This is what he's saying, echo chambers. So what is there in your mind, what's there in your heart, that is being echoed on this social media thing. Because of algo, easy to understand, right? Okay, this divergence doesn't just apply to political opinions, also factual topics, climate change, vaccination. Right? कोई भी चीज में हो सकता है. So I get my main idea from here, absolutely clear. Right? And social media is not the sole culprit. Same point, yeah. Factual topics, climate change, vaccination, सब होगा political, not only political, in other domains too, and not only social media, और भी होंगे. According to a recent study, turns out people, okay, fine, यही same point is explaining. A simple tweak to search algo, the researchers propose, could help deliver a broader range of perspectives. This is connected with a question. I remember that, right? So what is he saying here? He says people try to do this. Now researchers are coming up with this and saying a simple tweak to search algo. थोड़ा सा tweak करो, what will happen? It could deliver a broader range of perspectives. It will give people some different perspectives. This is what they are saying. Okay. Online participants were asked to rate their beliefs. This, chose. Okay, I'm not reading this. What did they find out after that? Online participants को rate their beliefs करके, and then what happened? Researching, okay, benefits of caffeine. ये तो उसी point को explain कर रहा है ना. These narrow terms tended to align with participants' existing beliefs. Same thing, first para में जो है. Generally less than 10% okay. They didn't do it knowingly. They pick what they believe without realizing it, right? And then here, blah, blah. Same was true when participants used ChatGPT. Same point. When the researchers randomly assigned participants to view different results, they saw those results affect their opinion, okay. Participants who saw search results nuclear felt better. अरे वही चीज है, आप देख रहे हो इसमें तो मतलब literally नहीं पढ़ने की जरूरत है. Examples, examples, examples. If you're clear about the main idea, things are clear. Pointing out biases in the search terms had only a small effect on people's final opinions. But changing the search algo either to always provide broad results or to alternate between results obtained with this mitigated the effects of narrow searches. This is something that helped. It reduced the effects of narrow searches. कैसे? Changing the search algo either to always provide this, या तो always broad results, or to alternate between this. ठीक है? The researchers have thought through how these technologies could be optimized for the benefits of users. Okay, for search technology to do what we need it to do, this kind of research is very important. Which kind? This kind. So this para is very important. I have to keep that in mind as I'm reading. Participants rated the broader results as just as useful and relevant as standard searches. Okay. People are able to bring in different perspectives when they are exposed to them. तभी तो पता चलेगा. Which is encouraging. At least for the topics we tested, recommend implementing such strategies, possibly as search broadly. This would be really helpful, but whether it will happen is hard to predict. So our author is unsure. That is his tone. Skeptical, not optimistic. Done. Main idea is this. Search engines. Perspective, narrow perspective, not getting exposure to diverse perspectives, so we stay in echo chambers. And then this passage has some suggestion in the end, but then the author is not sure. Clear? That's all that we need from here. बाकी सब examples है. Coffee, beverage, ये वो सब दिया है examples. Now, I would love to start with this. Central idea of the passage. Let's go down and eliminate. While search terms reflect people's pre-existing effect on final opinions is small, and hence search technology cannot meaningfully alter polarization. Rise of this has made it increasingly difficult in entrenching misinformation. People's tendency to select narrow search terms often unintentionally amplifies belief polarization, but modifying could mitigate. I like this. Why? Because there is this solid technique that I have given related to main idea. If the passage contains some kind of solution in the end, some suggestion, recommendation, anything related to that problem, that has to be there in your main idea. These two carry only the problem. So I can now eliminate it because I was looking for that option that contains that part. Had I not been able to find it, I would have gone back and modified my elimination. But now since I found this, I can easily eliminate these two because they contain only the problem. Okay, research shows that people are generally willing to change their beliefs. And so interventions like search broadly are highly likely. Author का tone तो है ही नहीं ना, highly likely to succeed author कह रहा है, I'm not sure. तो ये तो वैसे ही out है. Now let's prove D. C correct है कि नहीं है. People's tendency to select narrow search terms first para. Unintentionally it's given. अभी हमने कहीं पे पढ़ा था, they may do it unintentionally वगैरह somewhat second last para में. Amplifies belief polarization. Again, the whole passage is talking about this, but the last para comes up with this. Modifying this to broaden this could mitigate. Balanced words. So this is perfect main idea. Clear? Next. Which of the following, if true, would most strengthen? Strengthen weekend पे आने के पहले, I would love to do this. Okay? Because this is based on the author's perspective. Based on the passage, which of the following would be the most effective way for a public health agency to do what? To reduce misinformation. Obviously, this is an example. The main thing is connected with your algo ko tweaking, not tweaking, including broad searches. Yahi bola hai na? Right. So this is question 4. Let's go down and see. Broad. We are going to look for something like, broad ये. और हमें पता है पहले पैरा में ये बोल रहा है कि do not look for only what you believe in. Look for both the sides. ठीक है? Creating an AI tool that filters out search terms deemed misleading and replaces them with those that highlight scientifically verified positive information about vaccines. Creating an AI tool that nudges users towards more varied search terms. I like this word. Diverse, varied, reduce polarization, right? Whenever users type queries like vaccine side effects or vaccine dangers. Varied is good, but this is also there, so I'll keep both. Publishing official fact-checking reports that dismiss vaccine skepticism as baseless and highlight only the positive evidence. तो ये तो फिर वही polarization है. Okay, you're not allowing viewers or readers to get exposed to the other side. Correct? Launching a social media campaign encouraging people to trust medical experts rather than relying on their own online searches. This is bakwas. This is not what he has said, that don't trust your own online searches and trust medical experts. No. Out. So I'm left with A and B. Between these two, I have to connect more with whatever has been said. So, hang in there guys. I have to switch off an alarm. Done. Yeah. वरना अभी वो डिग 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 चालू हो जाता. Okay. So, effective way, So, यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो बच रहे हैं. Creating an AI tool that filters out search terms deemed misleading and replaces them with those that highlight this, or this. Look at the varied thing. Right? Nudges users. Nudges means, it doesn't mean, you are manipulating users. Nudges means it kind of pushes you towards more varied thing, more diverse. Whenever users type queries like this or this. So, zyada varied ki taraf push kiya ja raha hai. This is the best one. Because the passage talks about reducing polarization and increasing people's exposure to the various points on the spectrum. Correct? Isme kyun nahi? Filters out such terms deemed misleading and replaces them with those that highlight scientifically verified खाली साइंटिफिकली वेरीफाइड पॉजिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन तो दोनों साइड तो दे ही नहीं रहा है. सो दिस इज अगेन रिड्यूसिंग द एक्सपोजर. दिस इज द बेस्ट वन, राइट. नाउ आई विल गो टू स्ट्रेंथन एंड वीकन. पहले स्ट्रेंथन चूज करती हूँ मैं हमेशा. Okay, strengthen the researchers' recommendation to implement broader search results. हमें कहना हाँ तुम सही कह रहे हो. It's like हम broader वो देंगे तो people are going to be more what should I say, more tolerant and less polarized. ऐसा. In real world tests outside the lab, users exposed to broader search results reported कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए. ठीक है, feeling more satisfied with their searches and were more open to opposing viewpoints. This is good. Most users believe they are already searching in a neutral and balanced way, even when they unconsciously choose narrow terms. तो ये तो उसको weaken कर रहा है कि आप क्यों बकवास कर रहे हो, ये लोग तो खुद ही they are happy with their search results. This is out. Political campaigns increasingly use targeted advertising that reinforces voters' pre-existing views, making polarization more resistant to change. This is weakening it completely. Out. Users often trust interventions in search results, interpreting them as healthy censorship or manipulation by search companies. If they interpret it as manipulation, how can this be good? So if you're left with A and D, obviously this is the better one, the more balanced one, the sweet sounding one. इसमें manipulation, interpreting them as manipulation or censorship. चलो healthy censorship है, मान लिया. But if they believe that it's manipulation by companies, why would they go with it? And how can this benefit them? Nahi, right? How can this change their perception properly? This is out and this is your answer. Correct. और अगर आपको डाउट हो रहा है तो once again I'll tell you this. Broader search results कुछ अच्छा लाएगा. That is why they recommend, है ना. तो broader search results reported feeling more satisfied, searches open to opposing viewpoints ही लाना है. That's the मुद्दा of the passage. So this is good. Correct. Then question 3. Weaken है. Again for this you don't need to go back. पहले तो इसलिए क्योंकि claim में ही claim में आपका conclusion दिया हुआ है. पिछले question में भी इसमें भी. First read it. If true, would more seriously weaken that tweaking algo can reduce polarization. अभी आप देखो मैं कैसे इसको solve करती हूँ. ठीक है. When I read such a question, the first thing I tell myself is the claim is here. Tweaking algo can reduce polarization. पहला पैरा में बोला है. Tweak the algo, it will reduce polarization. You have to weaken and say गधे हो आप. Tweaking algo will not help reduce polarization, or if you tweak algo, polarization will increase, or tweaking algo has some dangers, kuch bhi aisa, right? People are not happy when we tweak algo. Kuch to is tarah ka chahiye, right? So let's go down and see. Narrow search terms accounted for only 9 to 34% of queries across the tested topics. तो tweaking algo में तो ये नहीं जा रहा है. आगे चलते हैं. Users in the study rated broader results as equally relevant as standard searches. So, broader results as equally relevant as standard searches. तो ये weaken कहाँ कर रहा है? Weaken आपको करना है उस claim को by saying algo को tweak करना बेवकूफी है. Right? Many people already diversify their sources of information by consulting multiple websites and social media platforms. People exposed to broader search results often dismiss contradictory evidence, labeling it as unreliable. Now, out of these 4, we were looking for something. अभी मैं इसको break down करके आपको देती हूँ. ये जो है ना, weakening the claim that tweaking algo can reduce polarization. Okay. Tweaking algo is useless. ठीक है. Then, reduce polarization is a wild goose chase. होता नहीं है. It's a myth. Okay. Another one. I can give you this something like broadening viewpoints is difficult. You are saying here tweaking algo can reduce polarization. Reduce polarization का उल्टा क्या हुआ? Broadening viewpoints, right? तभी तो polarization reduce होगा. So I can say here. Now if we look at these 4, check D. People exposed to broader search results often dismiss what? Contradictory evidence. let's say I go to search and I look for harmful effects of coffee, वो मुझे देगा. अब उसका कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी एविडेंस अगर कोई दे रहा है मुझे गुड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ कॉफी, आई विल डिसमिस इट. है बकवास, ये ना, इसको कुछ खुद तो पता नहीं है, बकवास, ये तो स्पॉन्सर्ड है, ये कॉफी को प्रमोट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. यू गेटिंग इट? सो आप ट्वीक कर लो, चाहे कुछ भी कर लो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू रेड्यूस पोलराइजेशन. दिस इज व्हाट दिस इज सेइंग. और इट इज डिफिकल्ट. ये इट इज नॉट यूजलेस एग्जैक्टली, बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट. ये इट गोज विद दिस वन. Why not the others? I'll show you again. Many people already diversify their sources of information by consulting multiple websites in this. तो तुम क्यों यहाँ परेशान हो रहे हो diversify करने के लिए? वो लोग तो खुद ही कर ले रहे हैं. So this doesn't, this weakens it, but this doesn't weaken it completely. This says already diversify their sources by consulting multiple websites and social media platforms, right? So tweaking algo can reduce polarization. तुम फिक्र मत करो, ये लोग खुद कर ले रहे हैं. But still it doesn't weaken that claim कि हम अगर ये करेंगे तो ये होगा. You're getting it? मतलब ये वीकेन इस सेंस में कर रहा है कि तुम टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. लोग खुद ही वेल इक्विप्ड हैं, खुद कर लेते हैं, तुम मत करो. बट फिर भी वो तो बोलेगा ना वहां पे, वो तो he'll stand firm and he'll say कोई बात नहीं, तुम मेरी सर्विसेज मत लो, लेकिन मैं फिर भी सजेस्ट कर रहा हूं that this if we tweak algo it's going to reduce polarization. तो उसका वो तो मतलब टेक्निकल तो वो तो स्ट्रांग रहेगा ही. This is not weakening the technical part of the claim. The technical part of the claim is weakened here. कि क्या फायदा है broader search results मिलता है उनको, they dismiss it as contradictory, तो उनका reduction of polarization तो हो ही नहीं रहा है. Right? Users in the study rated broader results as equally relevant as standard searches. Broader results अगर उनको दिया गया equally relevant as standard searches, they should rate it more relevant. लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ पे at least equally तो किया ना. You're getting it? अगर ये यहाँ पे बोलते users in the study rated broader results less relevant than standard searches. Correct? तब ये उसको ज्यादा वीकेन करता है. ये तो कह रहा है इक्वली रेलेवेंट है स्टैंडर्ड सर्चेस, तो वीकेन कहां कर रहा है? ये तो कह रहा है हाँ ठीक है, करो, आप करो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बिकॉज दे रेट दोज रिजल्ट्स इक्वली रेलेवेंट. करेक्ट? तो ये आउट है. So even if you're left with A and D, look at A. Narrow search terms accounted for only 9 to 34%. Right? Across the tested topics. Narrow search terms थे ही नहीं. तो narrow search terms नहीं थे, right? वो इसके टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट को वीकन नहीं कर रहा. दिस इज जस्ट वीकनिंग द क्लेम दैट people are not polarized. You're getting it? No, people are not polarized. Narrow है ही नहीं उनका, वो है. Here we have to weaken the claim that your tariqa, you are saying tweak algo, that is wrong. That will not lead you anywhere. So this is the best one that weakens that. Got it? I think we are done with all four. एक दो सब में हाँ हो गया. All right, perfect. Hope all the explanations are clear. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. I'll be back very soon.